Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the charging animation on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here, just search Poco Show. Now from here, just search Poco Show. Now from here, just download this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on Agree and Continue. Now from here, just tap on the X icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Charging Animation. Now from here, you can select any charging animation you like. Just tap on Recommended. Now from here, you can download any charging animation you like. For example, we will download this one. Now from here, just tap on the Done icon at the bottom of the display. Now from here, just tap on Unlock by watching the video. Now once you have finished watching the ad to download the charging animation, this pop-up will appear. Now from here, just enable Draw Display over the app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Poco Show. Now from here, just enable this option. Now from here, go back. Now from here, tap on OK. Now from here, go back. Now from here, tap on Done. Now from here, you will get a few options. Now from here, you can change the animation duration. You can increase it or decrease it from here. Now from here, you can select the closing method. You can close the animation by clicking it or double clicking it. I will select one click. Now from here, just tap on Set Now. Now from here, just tap on OK. Now from here, let's check the charging animation of our smartphone. Just plug in your smartphone to a charging cable. Now, as you can see, we have successfully changed the charging animation on our Poco phone. Also, there are other animation styles in the Poco Show app. Now, let's try this charging animation. Now, from here, tap on Done. Now, from here, tap on Set Now. Now, from here, tap on OK. Now, let's check this charging animation. Let's plug out and plug in the charger again. Now, as you can see, we have changed the charging animation. And this is how you can change the charging animation on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.